G'day everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Diecast Cars. In this video we have a 1970 Chevy Nova SS 396 from Auto World, a 1/18 scale. This is orange, limited edition. Don't know how many it's limited to. American Muscle. Back of the box, which has some details on it. You can pause it there and read all that. End of the box, and what have we got? Which way are we? That way. And bottom of the box, you can see a window box, so you can see underneath. Okay, is there a copyright date on this one? 2020 copyright date. Alrighty, let's get it open. Alrighty, let's see, we've got a bit of tape down here. I think, is there? Oh no. Oh yes, there is. Didn't think there was tape there for a minute, but because you've got these little knobs there to hold everything in. Now, can we get this out? No, we need to cut the back side there too. There we go. So they're pretty good, these boxes, I think, anyway, without the screws in them. They seem to hold the cars in a lot better. Because over time the screws seem to get stuck into the plastic on the older models. Okay, so start up, we roll pretty good. Let's have a look at the front. We'll start off there. Pretty good. Bumper's good. SS 396, Texas number plate or license plate, whatever you want to call it. Chevy badge, SS. Grille looks okay. It's not see-through or anything like that. It's just one solid piece. Headlights look good. These lights down here aren't. Really, that's just painted on. It doesn't look all that good. And we've got some vents on the bonnet there. Windscreen's clean and clear. No, one little mark there, but it might come off. Windscreen wipers look pretty good. Wheels look good in the orange. Got hubcaps. And then we've got what would be, I think it was an indicator, I think it is on the side, which could have been better. It's just painted on. 396 up here. Got Nova. We have steering. Got door handle details there. Mirror. And pretty basic door panel, but it does have everything. There's the armrest, the lever to open up the door, window winder, and the mirror is chrome. It's just a plastic piece, so that's shiny there. Does the steering wheel turn? Yeah, just. but it does turn. Seats they do slightly move, not much, but it does move. We can see some details on the dashboard there, with the speedo there. It's a manual. It's all black in there, but there is 3 pedals separate to the floor. So give me light in there. Oh, and it is carpeted too. So that's good. Doing this accelerator, brake and clutch. You can see more details there. SS on the steering wheel. Back seat is just plain, nothing special there. Does have armrest in the back and a little window winder. Now, is there any? Now, there's no. They do have the roof in black, but there's no roof lining there, no details, but it is black. And what else have we got? Rear wheel, not too bad. Has tread, looks good. And then again, could have been better with the side marker here at the back. That's just painted on. Could have actually been a real one. There is a little bit of blistering of the paint there, or just paint defect. Whether it could have been the casting. I think it might be the casting actually. It's a little rough just in that area there. Whether you can just see. But from a distance, like when it's, that light sort of not shining on it, it still looks fine. Rear window, clean, looks good. Boot doesn't open, that's just shut. Got the Nova up here, SS. Tail lights look pretty good. I think that's alright. Same number plate. Rear bumper looks good. You can see a couple of the bolt heads there, coach bolts there. Little bit of silver there for the door lock. Then passenger side, same thing. Wheels look good, all turn. You can just see the exhaust tip down here. And again, door opens. They open far enough, which is pretty good. Then we can see the shifter in there. And carpeted. Okay, let's have a look under here in the engine bay. It's not too bad. Could be worse, but that's okay. A lot of chrome air filter. Valve covers, we have top radiator hose, that'll be heater hose, so the heater box there, got alternator, let's see, water pump, got a drive belt there, got brake booster, master cylinder, you can see the headers down there, and just manifolds down there. We can just sort of see where the oil filter would be down there. We've got battery. It has some detail there. Got the little red caps, the silver terminals, and then obviously that'll be the overflow bottle. That or windscreen washers. I'm not sure what the layout is on the Nova. I don't know. And then you can see some details there of what would be a radiator. And then fan in there. So fairly well detailed, that's pretty good. Yeah, not bad. No sort of complaints really. And what do we got underneath? So we can see starter motor over here. So the wheels don't turn a lot. No suspension from what I can work out there. We can see exhaust, gearbox, bell housing. And is there a number? They say it's limited, so usually there'd be a number. But I can't see any number. So whether they are limited, who knows? Usually there'd be a number, but there's nothing here. Just Chevy Nova, copyright date. Yep. There's nothing else. No, nothing else there to say what number it is, but that's fine. Not everything needs to be limited and have numbers, but yeah, if they say limited edition, you would think that they would be numbered. But that is pretty good. I do like the Nova. Not bad. I'll get that on the turntable for you. That way you can see it without my fingers in the way. So there we go. You check that out while it spins around. But that's pretty good. So I don't know whether it was the casting, the material, or whether it was a paint. There is a couple of marks, and I think it would be the casting. I think you can see some just on the side there. I don't think they got it smooth enough before they painted it. But if it's not under this sort of light, then you're not going to see it. So you may not even see it on camera there. But it'll be fine. I didn't pay a fortune for it, so I'm not too worried about it. So there's not much else to say about that. If you are looking at getting one, I guess look out for those little defects in the casting. Yeah, just be aware, don't pay too much for it, I guess. But if you like Novas, then a good one to add to the collection. And I do like this with the orange steelies on it. Does look good. Well, I think I'm going to end that video there. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out the other videos that have come up. And we will see you on the next video. See you all later.